Somebody want to get that? Messing up his chi, Howard. How are you supposed to meditate if you're hitting buzzer? How's he doing that? That's pretty freaking cool.
I want Howard to go first because I think Howard